Okay, I'm now going to show you a couple of techniques with the length of paper to the right of the window. The way this window and wall has fallen, you can't predetermine how it's going to be. You have to react to what you find and where your paper ends and starts again. In this situation, our last drop here finishes a 1/4 inch short of this corner. So I'm going to show you a technique what to do when you've got a tiny little strip. If it was here, we'd put a thin strip in. When it finishes so close, there's another way of doing it. If our paper was going to be here, say for example, we'd hang our paper, this is where the last piece came here, this was the length here, and it went round an internal angle with this much over. I'm going to show you what to do. What you don't do is push it into the corner and wrap it around. 2 reasons. One is, again, we don't know how true this corner is, and it might throw this half of the paper out. It might not be level as it comes around the wall, then that would cause a problem for the next length on. Secondly, it would sit in there while it was wet. As it dries, the paper will shrink and that will pop out of the corner, and you'll see a bubble all the way down the corner where it's not stuck in tight. So don't ever wrap around an internal angle. We have to cut it, and I'll show you what you do. So I'm going to measure this paper as if we had a piece here and a piece here. I'm going to make the cut and show you what we do.